Hello, I'm Bill Simon, a CPA located in Clearwater, Florida. We have a practice that has been in existence for over 25 years that is involved exclusively in the representation of clients before the Internal Revenue Service regarding all matters of tax controversy. We continually stay up to date on the emphasis that IRS is placing on various areas regarding the tax law. One of the main interests of IRS right now is the classification of workers. And many times people classify their workers as independent contractors when in fact they are not independent contractors. This creates a number of problems. First of all, you can end up with a substantial tax liability for payroll taxes and interest and penalties that can, in some instances, equal the amount of payroll that you are paying. This is also of interest to the state for their unemployment taxes as well as workman's compensation. Therefore, you can see the state getting involved in these cases, and in fact, IRS has joined forces with most of the states to cooperate in these types of investigations and have even gone to joint training sessions to accomplish this. We have seen a number of cases where both the state and the federal government is involved in investigating classification of workers. So as you look at whether or not a person is an employee or an independent contractor, please do not feel any comfort by the fact you have a signed agreement with that worker saying that he is an independent contractor and is responsible for his own tax liabilities. This is not sufficient. What the IRS and the state looks at is the relationship that exists. What is the duration of the relationship? What are the benefits being provided to the worker other than pay? They also look at whether or not there's a potential for profit by the independent contractor as well as a potential for loss. In most of these arrangements, the worker can only make money, cannot lose money. In a true independent relationship, there could be a loss factor involved. And lastly, the control exercised over that worker is of utmost importance. How does the worker's control fall into this relationship? Do you, as the owner of the business, have the right to decide who is going to perform the work, or can the worker delegate that work to someone else who he or she may be employing? So these relationships are very important. So keep in mind as you go through this process that even if you do satisfy yourself as an independent contractor, it's absolutely necessary that you file a 1099 or have on file a valid W-9 that establishes that the worker is not an individual that is requiring a 1099 be filed. This is a critical point because this can help you avoid some of the penalties if you do have 1099s for all of your workers. Also keep in mind that these violations can create impact, and I should say adverse impact, on fringe benefits of your company that are being paid to you as owner or to other actual employees, such as pension and profit sharing, health benefits, etc. So keep that in mind as you make a decision about engaging a worker. Should they be an employee or should they be an independent contractor? We at W.H. Simon & Company can be assistance with this situation, and we can help you in advance in deciding what that relationship truly is, as well as assisting you in the event you are contacted for an audit of your payroll tax liabilities. Please feel free to contact us at the number listed below for a free consultation. Thank you.